Welcome to Learnpedia. Score more and rank better in JEE and NEET. Let's see if you can answer this actual JEE question. If you think you got the answer, then post it in the comment section below. To know the best way to answer this question, continue watching this video.
Instantaneous power and average power. Let us consider the most general case in which current and voltage differ by a phase of phi. So we can calculate the instantaneous power. In the most general case, current and voltage differ in phase by an angle phi. So instantaneous power will be V into I, where V is V naught sine of omega t and I naught sine of omega t minus phi. This is the phase the current is with respect to the voltage. We can expand this and rewrite it as V naught I naught sine of omega t. This expansion sine of omega t cos phi minus cos of omega t sine phi. V naught I naught, this term we can write it as sine square omega t cos phi minus sine of omega t cos of omega t sine phi. So power instantaneous we can write it as V naught I naught sine square omega t cos phi, plus this we can expand and write it as 2 sine omega t sine phi by 2. Sine square omega t cos phi minus sine of 2 omega t sine phi by 2. Sine square omega t dt 1 by t should be equal to half, and sine square 2 omega t dt for 0 to t for a cycle is equal to 0. So we know 1 by t integration from 0 to t sine square omega t dt is equal to half, and 1 by t integration 0 to t sine of 2 omega t dt is equal to 0. Substituting these two values here, we can get the average power. Power average will be now V naught I naught. Now for 0 to t we are taking the average. Sine square omega t we can write it as half 1 by 2 cos phi minus sine 2 omega t we can write it as 0. So this can be written as V naught I naught by 2 into cos phi. V naught by root 2 I naught by root 2 can be written as VRMS I RMS. So average power will be VRMS I RMS into cos phi. This will be the average for any electrical circuit, where cos phi is the phase angle. Cos phi is called power factor. Cos phi, we can write this one as power factor.
Hey there, hope you understood the concept. Here's the answer to the question that was asked in the beginning. Keep watching to give an edge to your JEE and NEET preparation. Learnpedia's JEE and NEET prep tools contain over 4,000 videos and over 20,000 questions. You can access them online through our website or offline through an SD card or a pen drive. To buy now, visit www.learnpedia.in. You can also try a free demo of the product before buying.